Hey guys, it's Lexy. What's up? Happy 2018, Happy New Year. Haven't seen y'all since last year. Waiting for the laughs, guys, waiting for the laughs. Anyways, today's video is going to be my New Year's Eve makeup / winter makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoy it. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more makeup videos, or commenting down below, or both. Both is cool. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another one, and click the notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I post a new video. We're getting kind of close to 5,000 subscribers, so I'm really excited. If you guys want to help me reach 5,000, click the subscribe button and tell your friends. Okay. Check out my social medias in the description box, including my vlog channel, which I post on a lot. All the products I use in this video will be linked in the description box. With that being said, let's get into the video. Alright, so I know it is a little too late for New Year's 2018, but I'm early for next year, New Year's 2019. Holla. Also, Christmas in January. What? Yes. Thumbs up for Christmas in January. So the first thing I do is tie my hair back. Like I stated in the intro, all the products I use will be linked in the description box so you guys can go check it out. Hello. Did you want to say hello? Alright, so the first thing I use is foundation, and this is the foundation I'm using. This shade is warm beige, and I think I could have gone like a shade lighter than this. We're gonna make it work. I just use my hands for this because I don't like washing brushes. I'm gonna take a little bit. What is this fool doing in the back? Oh my god. So I only do a light layer of it. So next I go in with my concealer, and sometimes I do concealer for foundation. Today we did it after, and I'm using this Maybelline Eraser Dark Circle thing. Just because mostly I like the applicator and how easy it is to apply. Do a little bit, and then it highlights my eyes because it's a little bit lighter. I also use it as an eyeshadow primer. And then we're gonna go in with powder and set everything, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in natural beige. It looks like this, and it has a little mirror compact thing right here, which is so cute. Thumbs up if you hear him making his noises in the background. Alright. Powder should be good. Alright, so I zoomed you guys in a little so we can do my eyes. And we're going to be using the Naked Smoky palette. Look at those pretty colors. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so excited. And we're gonna use my little Eco Tools brush. Oh my god. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh great, now his butt is there. So we're gonna use 13 and Combust as like a little eyeshadow base. And now to darken up the crease, we're gonna use Whiskey. They're just the 3 colors right here. We're not gonna go all the way into the crease, just like on the outside. Blend it out. And now we're gonna go in with Armor and Slanted for a little bit of shimmer in the middle. And then we're gonna take High, use that on the inner corner to make it pop a little bit more, just a little bit. And then we're gonna take it again, highlight the brow bone, just a little bit. Alright, so I think that is good for the eyes. Now we just gotta blend it out a little bit more. So now to finish off the look, we are going to curl our eyelashes and apply mascara. I am using the Maybelline The Rocket mascara, just a random eyelash curler. I normally like to get right up to the mirror. Y'all! Why though? Okay, it's gone. Look at that difference. Mascara, no mascara. Did you see him move positions? What is this dog doing? Now for the bottom eyelashes, which is just a lot harder than the top. brace yourselves. Look at this. It's already coming off. Wow. Cool. Now for the lipstick. I would normally go for like a red lip, but I think today we're just gonna do a pink lip. Estee Lauder Rubilette. This pink color. It just gives like a really nice subtle pink to the lips. And this is the final makeup look. So that is it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you guys create any of the looks, don't forget to post it on Instagram, tweet it to me. You know, all my social media is linked in the description box. Subscribe to my vlog channel. I post a lot on my vlog channel. Yeah, subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos. I upload every single week, and I love you guys so much. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!